Alright, so today is Monday, March 29th. Folks, welcome back. So for today, you're doing your 30-day writing challenge. Today is day 29. A time you felt joy was when blank. So go ahead and fill that in. I can't wait to hear those responses. You guys are going to be doing your main body paragraphs for today. So a reminder of the three setups that you guys have: your body, your outro, your intro, your body, and your outro. Today, we're working on the body, so main body paragraph. Your main body paragraphs, not your introductions, but your main body paragraphs should contain your main points, ladies and gentlemen. So, introduce your audience to the topic, hook them in with an interesting fact about your topic. So, you can ask an interesting question, give a fun fact, or give a short story about your topic. So, for example, in this episode, I want to talk to you about how often meteors have crashed on the surface of the moon, which happens more than you think. I gave it a little bit of a twist on that example. This idea that meteors are crashing on the moon more often than you think. So, definitely interesting. And then I continue going on. So, you guys got two articles. This is why. This is where your details and your research go, ladies and gentlemen. Back up your claims by placing one, maybe two quotes from an article you found. So, you have to introduce the article. So, for example, according to Science Focus, the moon is constantly being bombarded with meteorites, but most of them are no bigger than specks of dust. Larger impacts have been observed regularly over the years. So I'm still going back to this idea that meteors are crashing on the moon, and I found an article that proves it. Okay, now I need you guys to add your opinion and your inference. Now that you have your quote, analyze it. Why is this quote important to what you have to say as the host? Make sure you talk about why your topic is important. So, for example, you may think, remember, this is about 2 to 3 sentences. You may think it is strange to watch meteors crash into the moon, but scientists have discovered that meteors contain little bits of our space history inside them. Finding them on the moon makes it easier to learn this history. I think it is important to share this history so we can learn more about the world and the space we live in. Now you do it again. Now you put your second quote. So, for example, the American Museum of Natural History says, by studying meteorites, we can learn details about how our solar system evolved into the sun and planets today, and how meteors' impacts could affect our future. So, we used it moving forward. How does it affect us moving forward? That was the second article, too. The other one was Science Focus. This is the American Museum of Natural History. So, 2 articles. Now, add your opinion again, your inference. Now that you have your quote, analyze it. I think it's amazing that we can learn about both the solar system and our future by studying these meteorites that are on the moon and close enough to study. I think they will continue to play an important role in learning more about the universe and the galaxies around us. Super sweet, you guys. All you gotta do. We don't have to do our conclusion yet. We'll do that next time. Alright, so for our exit tickets for today, how can you hook your listener into your podcast? All right, consider that, ladies and gentlemen. On your scripting it out, you are moving to here where it says your main point. Type your main point. We talked about this. Okay, this is what we'll be talking about. Your first quote and evidence. Your opinion. Why does it matter? Okay, and then I'm going to add the last 2 pieces, your other evidence and your other opinion into this. And then you guys can type your paragraph there. Then that is actually going to be it for today, ladies and gentlemen. As always, if you have questions, you can let either me or Miss Arroyo know. I'll see you guys.